It's up and buzzing. What do we got? Oh.
Hello. How are you, mate? He can see. He can see now.
He can see.
Well, we don't know.
Because
I don't even want to call it a he. We'll just call it a they them because.
Well, our X-Maxx deserves a name.
It does. It's become a valuable member of our family.
That's right.
Hasn't it?
And we actually have a competition at the moment. So if you can go
just calm down there, buddy. I think I might just get in here. I think that might be a bit noisy.
Right, okay.
Yeah?
If we can get into our Facebook, Hearns Hobbies Facebook feed, and you go to the events, we are running a competition at the moment, which is Name Our X-Maxx.
Name Our X-Maxx, indeed.
So if you can just let us know, there's a question which you need to answer first, and then put in your suggestion. You can enter as many times as you like.
How much fun.
Yeah.
And
then you go into a draw.
25 or 30,000 views on the videos now.
We have.
That's been really cool. So get amongst it.
Yeah, and you can win a prize. So if we select a name, so it'll be drawn.
Be drawn.
Yep.
Next Friday. Next Friday.
It's next Friday. It's one of the Fridays.
Yeah.
It's on the event, and then we'll also give you a $50 voucher.
A gift voucher. That's right. And you will have naming rights.
Yes.
We'll even get a new sticker sheet done. Name on, and who knows, we might even get more features down the track. But this bloke is going everywhere, isn't he? Let's show a little video.
All right, let's see.
You showed a little video.
This is the latest adventure.
Latest adventure of the So get amongst it, guys. Check out our socials and have some fun with it. Yeah. Name Our X-Maxx.
That's it.
Yeah?
Yep.